Title: A Call for Unity, Supporting the Palestinian Cause. Introduction. Ladies and gentlemen, today we gather not to advocate for violence or martyrdom, but to reflect on the importance of unity and peaceful methods in supporting the Palestinian cause. We'll delve into the historical significance of Masjid al-Aqsa and discuss how we can effectively stand in solidarity with our Palestinian brothers and sisters. Brief on the Palestinian-Israeli conflict. The Palestinian-Israeli conflict is a long-standing and deeply complex issue that has resulted in the loss of countless lives and the displacement of many Palestinians. This conflict is rooted in historical, political, and religious factors, and finding a resolution has proven to be one of the most challenging issues in the world today. The importance of Masjid al-Aqsa. Masjid al-Aqsa holds immense historical and religious significance for Muslims worldwide. It is the third holiest site in Islam, and its significance goes back to the Quran and the teachings of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. It is the location from which the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, is said to have ascended to the heavens during the night journey and where Muslims have prayed for centuries. The significance of unity. Our faith teaches us the importance of unity, compassion, and peaceful means to resolve conflicts. Islam promotes dialogue, diplomacy, and peaceful coexistence with others. Instead of fighting, our faith encourages us to seek justice and peace through nonviolent methods. Historical examples. Throughout history, Muslims have faced oppression and persecution. However, we have often overcome adversity through peaceful means. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, himself endured immense persecution in Mecca but did not resort to violence. His strength lay in his unwavering commitment to the message of Islam and his ability to peacefully convince others of its merits. Today, we can also look to the example of leaders like Mahatma Gandhi and Martin Luther King Jr., who advocated for change and justice through nonviolent resistance. Their movements showed that peaceful methods can be remarkably effective in achieving social and political change. Our responsibility. As Muslims, we have a responsibility to stand in solidarity with the oppressed, including our Palestinian brothers and sisters. However, this solidarity should be channeled through peaceful means, such as raising awareness, advocating for justice, and supporting humanitarian efforts. It is crucial that we do not encourage or engage in violence, as it can only perpetuate suffering and destruction. Supporting the Palestinian cause. 1. Advocate for peace. Encourage peaceful negotiations and dialogue to find a just and lasting solution to the Palestinian-Israeli conflict. 2. Raise awareness. Educate others about the historical and humanitarian aspects of the conflict and the significance of Masjid al-Aqsa. 3. Support humanitarian efforts. Contribute to organizations providing aid to the Palestinian people. 4. Engage in diplomacy. Encourage our leaders to use diplomatic channels and international organizations to support the Palestinian cause. Conclusion. In conclusion, we must remember the teachings of our faith, which call for peace, unity, and compassion. Our support for the Palestinian cause is vital, but it should be expressed through peaceful means. Let us be fearless in advocating for justice and equality, and unwavering in our commitment to peaceful solutions in the pursuit of a better future for all.